This is for you, T.
Oh, T. Oh, T-poo. Honorific. Tea time.
Listen to the words, T.
Oh, T-poo.
A classic from the 60s. Love is but a song we sing. Fear's the way we'll die. You can make the mountains ring or make the angels cry. Though the bird is on the wing and you may not know why. Come on, people now, smile on your brother. Everybody get together, try to love one another right now. Some may come and some may go, we will surely pass. When the one that left us here returns for us at last, we are but a moment's sunlight fading in the grass. Come on, people now, smile on your brother. Everybody get together, try to love one another right now. Come on, people now, smile on your brother. Everybody get together, try to love one another right now.
Hello, hello, hi. Hello, hi. Hello, 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 hey, hi, hello. Hello.
Come on, people now, smile on your brother. Everybody get together, try to love one another right now.
Hello, Dory. Hello, Dory.
If you hear the song I sing, you will understand. Listen, you hold the key to love and fear, all in your trembling hand. Just one key unlocks them both. It's there at your command. Come on, people now, smile on your brother. Everybody get together, try to love one another right now. Come on, people now, smile on your brother. Everybody get together, try to love one another right now. I say, come on, people now, smile on your brother. Everybody get together, try to love one another right now. Right now, right now. Thanks, everybody. Thank you so much. That was for you, T. I hope you enjoyed that.
Thank you. Hooray! That's my sissy over there. I see you.
baby. Yeah.
Oh, Susie Q. Oh, Susie Q. Oh, Susie Q, baby, I love you, Susie. I like the way you walk. I like the way you talk. I like the way you walk. I like the way you talk, Susie. That you'll be true. We'll say that you'll be true and never leave me blue, Susie. We'll say that you'll be mine. We'll say that you'll be mine. We'll say that you'll be mine, baby, all the time, Susie.
Yeah, baby.
She's gonna sing the next song. Oh, Susie Q. Oh, Susie Q. Oh, Susie Q, baby, I love you, Susie. I like the way you walk. I like the way you talk. I like the way you walk. I like the way you talk, Susie. Oh, Susie Q. Oh, Susie Q. Oh, Susie Q, baby, I love you, Susie Q. Wagon, Kyakulium, Medellina on drums, Euclidean up there on, is that a bass? Violet Solano playing the guitar, and Kayak 2 is on the keyboards. Katie Hansen is up there too. She's like got some marijuana leaves in her head.
Hello.
Sing it, Anna. Virgil Kane is my name, and I drove on the Denver train till so much cavalry came and tore up the tracks again. In the winter of '65, we were hungry, just barely alive. I took the train to Richmond, it fell. It was a time I remember oh so well. The night they drove old Dixie down, and all the bells were ringing. The night they drove old Dixie down, and all the people were singing. They went na 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 na. Back with my wife in Tennessee, and one day she said to me, Virgil, quick, come see, and there goes the Robert E. Lee. Now I don't mind them chopping wood, and I don't care if the money's no good. Just take what you need and leave the rest. But they should never have taken the very best. The night they drove old Dixie down, and all the bells were ringing. The night they drove old Dixie down, and all the people were singing. They went na 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 na. Like my father before me, I'm a working man. And like my brother before me, I took a rebel stand. He was just 18, proud and brave, but a Yankee laid him in his grave. I swear by the blood below my feet, you can't raise the cane back up when it's in defeat. The night they drove old Dixie down, and all the bells were ringing. The night they drove old Dixie down, and all the people were singing. They went na 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 na. Thank you, everybody. You know, she was at Wootstock.